Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is Tanisha Singh from Integrity Immigration Group. Today we are live and we have very special guests with us. We have Miss Mahima and Miss Mahalakshmi, and both are representing Aura International School of Management, which is situated in Lyon, France. And we will be discussing about the France, about the Aura International School. So first of all, I would like to just introduce Miss Mahima. She is taking care of admissions from Aura International College. So, how are you doing?
Hi, Miss Tanisha. Very good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the warm introduction.
Right.
I'm good. So, very, pleasant afternoon to everybody over here. I'll be looking out the entire procedure
Okay.
for India. So, any
And
candidate, any student who is looking out to process their application, I'll be the guide to them. Thank you.
okay. We have Miss Mahalakshmi as well, and we had been conducting many of previously also we had conducted these sessions. So we have already been gone through with very informative sessions. So once again, welcome to our platform.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Tanisha. So, Integrity Immigration Group, they've been our very trustworthy student recruitment partner. So, we have been tied up with them for quite some time now. So, they will take care of all of your, study abroad needs. And if you wish to apply for any of the management programs to Aura, they will definitely help you. And thank you for having us today here.
Right. So we should like start up as many of the students are still confused in selection in being selecting of the destination of the study. So I would like to just make you and what are the we can say the main attractions regarding the financials, regarding the choice of regarding the location, accommodation, each and everything when a student is planning to select for the study abroad destination. So please start the why should one go for a France study visa?
Okay. So first of all, France and India relationship is good. As you know, even in the month of like recently, the president, Mr. Macron, was here. He wants to invite around 30,000 students by 2030, and even if they're going to achieve this number in the next 2 years, they're very happy. So the platforms are good there. There's management programs, and even this benefits that France is offering for international students is immense. So, for example, there is like the rental subsidies, which is known as the CAF subsidy. So basically, if the student is spending like around 300 or 400 euros on rent, and if they have to apply for this particular subsidy to the government, and they will give at least 30% to 50%, reimbursement to the student. So this is a great help, right? Because they are going to a new country and they don't know how much the expenses will be. So France is offering this amazing benefit. Other than this, the students can also do an internship while they are studying, and as per the government law itself, that they have to be paid a certain stipend per month. So this can also immensely help with their financials, that they can be very financially independent when they are studying their courses in France. And yes, of course, there are other benefits also. Like even if they show their student ID card, they will get concessions in public transport. They will get concessions in food outlets. Public libraries are free for students, and even if they have to take something simple as a gym membership, also they will get concessions. And there are a lot of government aided societies which provide students with a lot of help for during their studies. And even once they validate their visa, once they're in France, they get their social security and their health insurance is covered free of cost by the government. Okay. And also, especially for Indian students, the post study work opportunities, I mean the post study search visa opportunities are really good. Like especially for Indian students, they are giving 1+1, that is 2 years stay back for MBA students. Okay. So they'll get like up to 2 years to stay back and even search for a job. And also for Indian students especially, they are giving 5 years stay back alumni visa also, that is for 5 consecutive years they can travel to France for a short amount of period for work and tourism, etc. So there's many benefits like this. These are very few things I have spoken. And Aura, especially, like even when the students come, like we give extra care. Like we have student accommodations available with us. Even the onboarding process with us is very smooth. Once the students arrive, we take them for a guided city tour, and whatever process is required for them, even something simple as opening a bank account, etc. Like even the French nationals there are like very considerate. They want to help out students coming from international locations to France. Other the topmost thing, it's a very safe country to travel and to study. So these are the very few things. And of course, more than anything, learning French is always an added benefit, because French is the second most spoken business language in the world. So yeah.
Okay. So these are the very, we can say the details which you have told up from the scratch level. So students must be having, because see, students are always being confused whether to go for like France, Malta, Germany. And every country has their own aspects of beauty regarding the like what exclusive facilities they have. So when we talk about France, yes, first of all, any student who is again like having that hassle, coming up with a low ITS score band, PT score band, they can apply for France without any kind of, we can say, the burden of being repetition of IELTS or PT, first and foremost. Then the next part, as you said, the atmosphere from the college end will be too friendly to support in all kind of their daily basic needs, whether it is related to from small things, whether it is related to bank account opening up or it is being just making them themselves adaptive in a new nation, in a new country. And apart from that, like if we talk about, because see, we have that mindset that Paris is such a costly, being like one of the most demanded, we can say the destination. So our like college is situated into Leon. So is there any kind of accommodation differences in respect to Paris? If we talk about Leon.
Yes, definitely. So Lyon is definitely a student-friendly city. If you compare the cost, which is gonna, they're gonna have in Paris, is much more higher than being in Lyon. So Lyon was also awarded like the best student-friendly city in the year of 2018. It's a student hub basically, so there are a lot of students there. So automatically, to provide to such a population, even even the rents are slightly cheaper compared to Paris. And for that, for the amount they are spending, they get very good accommodations also. Like in regards to accommodations, the student has a choice of going for private accommodations, or they can choose to stay in with Aura. So suppose if they choose to stay with us, like in one of our student accommodations, our rent is very reasonable. It's 300 euros per month, and all our accommodations are CAF eligible. So even we personally help the students in applying for the CAF subsidy. So in 300 euros, if they apply for the CAF subsidy, I know students who get at least a minimum of 80 euros to maximum 120, 150 euros. So your rent per month becomes like 150 euros max. So think about how much money they can save. And yes, of course, even Leon, like other things, like even food outlets, their restaurants, everything is very student friendly. They get even concessions in food outlets also if they show their student ID card. So definitely Lyon's any day cost effective compared to Paris. And I know they have this notion where, like if they go for Lyon, even they're not, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be all French, and they won't be able to communicate. It's not true at all. Like even in Lyon, since it's a highly populated city of students, there's a very multicultural environment, very young crowd, etc. So all our students get accommodated to the city very easily, and whatever is required for them also, we guide them. Like I said, validating their visa, opening their bank accounts, or even etc, etc. Yes.
Right. We have already seen regarding all the support towards the students. So it's we can say out of experience, it's a good part. We always keep on getting the support from the Aura end. Okay, so what are the we can say the most demanding programs which Aura College is offering?
Yes, so we are a management school. Okay, so we are offering international hospitality management and international business management. Okay, so we are offering two management courses, and yes, so we offer three programs. We offer BBA, MBA, and executive MBA. Okay, so each specialization, like each program, has two specializations: international business management and international hospitality management. And who can typically apply for a bachelor's in business management? Anyone with 12 or an equivalent, but definitely they should have a minimum of 55%. So they can apply to either BBA in international business management or BBA in international hospitality management. And coming to our MBA in international business management courses, anyone with a BBA degree, BCom, BCA, they have the idea of doing an MBA, and they have entrepreneur ideas. They want to come back and work in a managerial position, and like big French companies, that 1,000+ French companies that are located in India. Those kind of students can opt for MBA and IBM. MBA in hospitality, of course, they should have a bachelor's degree related to hospitality, tourism, etc. All that. Okay, and executive MBA we are also offering. Executive MBA again in international business management and international hospitality management. So whoever has a bachelor's degree plus definitely a minimum of 2 years work experience are eligible to apply for these executive MBA programs. So currently we are offering two specializations and three programs, hence six programs in total. And of course, you already mentioned this. We do not require any English proficiency if the medium of instruction is in English, because to test the communication of the student, we will have 2 rounds of interview from the school. And like we will check for the like the basic English communication of the student, and we will check if they're able to understand the accent of the the professors who are going to be teaching in English, etc. And only when we are satisfied, we will give the offer
Right.
letter. So we don't require any IELTS or any French language requirement, things like that.
Right. So, Ms. Mahima, would you like to just add on something? Because since the session hasn't started, I feel like that you should also share some piece of information. Would you like to just add on anything?
Definitely, Miss Tanisha. So what I want to add over here is, the best part about France is, France education system is also offering, 6+6 work kind of a schedule, wherein it focus more on rather based on curriculum or curriculum based learning, it based on project based learning. So 6+6 means we are also benefited, the student will also be benefited with 6 months of theory based learning program plus 6 months of internship. That is, plus they will be allowed to practice while they are learning. So that is the best experience which student will get once they opt for France. So that is, the best part about France.
Right. So we can like say that the students will be having much more. We can say the exposure towards the practical learning instead of just all the theoretical learning. Right. Okay.
Definitely
So,
correct.
like as we all know that the students are too much attracted towards fashion management courses, hospitality courses. So, once they are done with the academics part, so while their post study work permit duration, does they stay in France itself only because being Schengen visa, or they prefer to travel to yet another countries for the career setup?
Yes. So, see, the visa that they get stamped while they are going from here, it's a Schengen visa. With that visa, they
Right.
can travel all the 26 member countries. So, even if they want to do their internships outside of France, they're welcome to do. So, there's no restrictions like that. I will have to check about the post study work visa, because it will be pertaining to the French government. But I will definitely check about that and let you know whether they can stay within France, or they will they can go around Europe. But
Yeah.
yes, even during their study period, they are free to travel around. And even if they
Yeah.
search for a job outside, like just in case they land a job before they graduate, then they can get a work permit in France
Okay.
itself. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, my concern was like once they are done with the academic path, so will they be like settling up itself in France? Does they get that much of opportunities itself in the country?
See, it depends on the student's wish. I know, I know
Okay.
students, when I ask them, see, what do you want to do? Do you want to make a life here, or do you want to study and get their experience and go back? Okay. See, the market there is doesn't work like how in India they come for mass recruitment and all that. There, it's purely based on your talent and your ability
Mhm.
to do networking, basically. So Aura equips a student irrelevant of your idea, I mean your future plan. Like Mahima mentioned, like our programs, BBA, MBA and executive MBA, all of them have first 6 months course, next 6 months internship. So this 6 months internship
Right.
also, we give 100% support in finding these the internships. So whatever is required for a student to crack an interview, we teach them French language, which is mandatory as part of their curriculum. Okay. And personality development programs, your networking skills, your communication skills, like how to even prepare your resume, how to prepare your LinkedIn profile, etc. So whatever, to make you more equipable to find a job, we give
Right.
that. All right. So it becomes like there, you can take the horse to the pond and the horse has to drink the water. So basically, with what Aura gives you, you can definitely find a job if you want to, or you can come back to India. There are around 6,000, I'm sorry, there are around 1,000 plus French companies in India. With a French degree and a little bit of French knowledge, you can get a very good position in one of these companies also. Or if they are in the path of PR and all that, you'll have to stay in France for 5 years, and then you can drop your file for PR. So that's the procedure as of now.
So yeah, basically we can conclude or summarize like that. Students, small ingredients, a combination of each and everything. The students like performance into the academics and being responsible student, their attendance, how overall they have performed in during the tenure period of their academics, and how gratefully they have been pushed up by the Aura International College to make them much more flourish into being settling up into the career. So these are the small ingredients will definitely is going to make them settle up in their career, because
Yes,
students are like main concern, because even if we talk about in India itself, no one is going to come to you until unless you have developed some skill. So this will
exactly.
being education consultant, yeah,
Yeah, definitely. Like what we have to, what I want to add here is, it might be a very small thing, like even our pantry. Like we have a free of cost coffee machine, a refrigerator, an oven, and all that. And we know the Indian students' mentality, right? They're not going to pay money and have a coffee outside.
right,
And some students are lazy to make
right,
it by themselves. So whatever they want,
right.
like all our students, they cook, they keep the food in the fridge and heat it up and have for lunch. So there's a lot of cost saving opportunities we're also giving. We have a game room where the students
Right.
can, we have a PlayStation, etc. All those facilities. Yes, since it's an Indian student mentality, we do little extra, to help them, of course.
Right. Okay, so one more point I would like to just request you to brief, that is the scholarship part, which is the exclusive salient feature of Aura International School. So
Scholarship.
please let the students and viewers know about the scholarship part.
Yes. So all our programs, BBA, MBA, and Executive MBA, we have different tuition fees for each of the program. So so we have the October intake open for the BBA and MBA program, and we have the November intake open for the Executive MBA program. So all of our programs, be it BBA, MBA, or Executive MBA, we are giving 1,500 euros scholarship on the tuition fees. Okay, so this is available for all students, but there are certain criteria for this also, which we will mention to Integrity Immigration. So whoever wants to apply, you can consult us with their profile, and we will suggest the best course and like how much scholarship, etc. But please note that we are closing our applications maximum by the end of July for the October intake for BBA and
Right.
MB.
So, okay. So all the students who are still planning and need not to worry about the like English proficiency, you may start up your applications just on the basis of need of instruction, that is English mode. So please start up your applications. You may visit to us with your documentation part. We will help you out regarding the all admission process. And regarding the interview, as we have mentioned in the earlier of the session, that there will be 2 rounds of interview. So interview will be only regarding your part of basically your introductory interview will be there just to check up the English speaking skills. Need not to worry, it's not going to be that much difficult or something like extraordinarily. So we will be in fact preparing you for the interview as well. So as we are like ending up the session, would you like to just add on something which we skipped or anything additionally you wanted to appeal to all the students?
Yes, so France has become quite a popular study destination now, and of course, applications are still open, so it's not too late. So I suggest whoever is interested, start punching in your applications. Like I said, Integrity Immigrations, they are very good study abroad consultants. You can completely trust them for your dreams. I think you're on mute. Mm, Tanisha, you're not audible.